Hey, welcome back. I didn't know Blender. I forget. Hey guys, welcome back. I decided to do another Blender project. It's very simple. I started off with this I started off with with a random side of a building texture and decided to put it on a plane platform. And then I put some loop cuts to around the building to, you know, what do I say? To certain parts of the texture to where, you know, it would seem like either pop in or I push back using the extrude tool. Yeah, so I mainly put loop cuts around the buildings and the window panes, this side of the building right here, because it just seemed that it would, make sense to like pop it out towards you for a bit. And I put some loop cuts right here to push these back out, up here and down here. And for the windows and window panes, I just pushed them in. I just pushed them in just a bit, to make them look like windows. But yeah, after I did that, I went into I created a new texture for the windows, and then I went into the UV editor. No, not the UV editor, my bad. Where is it? The shader editor. I went to the shader editor and I added glossy BSDF and transparent BSDF to make the windows look more reflective, And yeah, once I finished that and it looked alright, I copy and pasted it 2 times and put them around, kind of like European apartments. It's not like that's the name of the project. Anyway, after that, I found a random, I just looked up on Google and looked up lit room, and then I decided to put this on a cube. I'll show you. I'll try to show you. Right here, yeah. I just inserted a cube, put the surface as emission, and then just put the image on here, and then put it behind the windows to make it seem like, there's rooms going on, there's little stuff. And then I added this, I just looked up the sidewalk texture and then put it on a plane down here. Hold on, let me go for your camera real quick, hold on. But yeah, this is pretty simple. It took me like an hour because I didn't know what I was doing. Thankfully, I watched a tutorial. Yeah, this is about it. And then for the background, I went over here and then made that way it's an environment texture, and then I just inserted a HDRI photo because just like if you just look up like a regular street on Google, it's gonna look very pixelated and the quality's gonna be very bad. So you're gonna have to look up an HDRI. There's a couple websites that allow you to have them for free. Download for free. You don't have to create an account or anything, which is good. That's about it. Yeah. I would not live here. Gotta be honest, I don't feel nice having a cube and no rooms at all, But it looks nice. Gotta give it that. Hold on, frick. I gotta freaking reinstall Blender. I'm so tired. It's so frozen. Hold on, just give me a sec. What the frick?